baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please.
let me hear you say,
Please. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
let me hear you say,
Please.
let me hear you say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did create this cute messy bun with them waves. Hello and also this like pink face bead. I don't even know what to call this look, man. This look is just absolutely amazing. I just love how glowy it is. I love the bright colors on my lid. It's just popping. It's absolutely a spring look, okay? And guys, if you have like natural hair or short thick hair and you think you can get your hair into a bun, trust me, you can. If I can do this to my hair, like my friends know how my hair is actually. My hair is anyways, I'm gonna even show you guys like very soon. My hair is thick. Would I say? Yeah, my hair is thick because it has like undergrowth and it's very stubborn. My hair is so thick, you guys. Like it is actually really so like stubborn. It's like this kind of spongy texture. I've tried all the products I can. Even when I relax my hair, like it just takes 1 month and my hair is like back to that spongy texture. I don't know what to do to my hair, you guys. Like I've actually given up on my hair. Like I've given up on it. I don't even want to stress myself. But with how this hairstyle is going, guys, I'm actually considering going back to, you know, the natural gang. Natural gang. Make sure you keep watching to see how I did achieve this beat. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you guys, please hit that subscribe button right away. You know, support me, share my video with your friends.
It actually really means a lot to me, okay? Thank you. And yeah, back to the video.
Welcome back, guys. So like I said, my hair is really thick, you guys. Like it's not full, but it's like thick and, you know, tough and, you know, spongy, you know, all of that. Like my hair. So for this style, you need comb, you need rat tail comb, you need eco styling gel, you need got2b glue gel, you need edge control, and also water. So the first thing I did was to like apply water all over my hair, because at that time my hair was actually really dry. So I did apply a lot of water and I just like combed it out. So next I did part my hair into 4 sections, because if you don't part your hair and you have like a natural thick hair, it's actually going to be really difficult for you. So you need to part your hair, you guys. You actually need to part your hair. So I started with the back of my hair because I don't have a lot of hair at that side of my head. So I started with the back. I applied the eco styling gel at the back and, you know, just like gelled it to the point I wanted it to be. Then I moved to the side of my hair and I did part it as straight as possible, because I actually wanted my parting to be at the side, not the middle. Then I went with the eco styling gel again. I applied a lot actually because my hair is stubborn, like it would not even stay down, so I had to apply a lot, like a lot. So I went in with my comb, you know, just to like smooth it out, and I did apply more and more gel. And also I went with my brush. You actually do need a brush to smooth it out. Without this brush, the hair is not going to be smooth at all. Then I started playing with my baby hairs. I just kind of did it like wavy kind of thing, but you could actually play with this however you want your, you know, your style to be. This was how I wanted mine to look like. So, and I went in with my got2b glue gel, you know, just to make it stay down, because the got2b glue gel is actually like a lot stronger than the Eco Styling gel, so I added more Got2b glue gel at that side of my head. So moving to the other portion of my hair, I'm just parting my hair, you know, and adding gel and parting it and adding gel. If you do it at once, it will not work, you guys. So do not even try to rush this process. Just take it easy. So I'm still parting the hair and adding more gel and, you know, brushing it with my comb and also my brush to smooth it out. So guys, you can actually play with this however you want your style to look like. You could, like, you know, do a middle part, you could do a side part, you can do like whatever style you want, but this was how I wanted mine to look like because of the shape of my head. So yeah. So I did not want a high bun, I actually wanted a very low bun. So yeah. So next I use a band to just, you know, hold the hair together, and also use a silk scarf to tie down the hair for about 10 minutes. Yeah. Now for my extension, I'm using a Brazilian hair that I did get from AliExpress long time ago, and I'm also gonna need bobby pins. And yeah, so I'm going to attach the bobby pin on the end of my hair and also the extension. Just try to make it as secure as possible so it doesn't fall off. You can use 2, 3, depending on how, you know, long your natural hair is. So next, you're just gonna want to roll the extension all around the end of your hair. And continue using your bobby pins to like make it secure. If you don't feel like it's tight enough, just add more bobby pins, and you know. So next I did comb out the hair, and yeah, it's looking good, right? So yeah, my hair is ready, you guys. Like, it's cooked, it's dried, like it's not even going anywhere at all. Like, so I did put the hair in a bun because I actually wasn't feeling the long like style, because, you know, the texture of the extension is not afro, so it kind of looked weird, so I had to put it like in a bun. But if you have kinky texture of hair or the afro texture hair, that would actually be a lot better than using the Brazilian type of extension. So next I'm just spraying my hair with my wig spray. This just gives it like oil and, you know, moisture. It makes it shine, you know. Yes. So that's it for the hairstyle, you guys. So now into the makeup. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys now know how to create your messy bun by yourself, even if you have like natural thick short hair. And the beat, of course, I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe.